In this video, we'll be sharing over 20 tips and tricks to help you get started with Procreate and create stunning digital art. Tip 1. Start with a clean canvas. Before you begin creating your artwork, make sure to start with a blank canvas to give yourself a fresh slate to work with. This will help you stay organized and focused on your project. Tip 2. Get familiar with the tools. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the different tools and brushes that Procreate offers. Experiment with each tool to see how it behaves and what effects it can create. This will give you a better understanding of how to use the different tools to achieve the results you want. Tip 3. Use layers. 1. Layers are a powerful feature in Procreate that allows you to separate different elements of your artwork. Use them to keep your work organized and to make it easier to make changes later on. Tip 4. Use a reference. Whether it's a photo or another artwork, using a reference can be a great way to help you create more accurate and detailed work. Tip 5. Take advantage of the symmetry tool. Procreate's symmetry tool can help you create perfect symmetry in your artwork quickly and easily. Tip 6. Use the color picker. The color picker in Procreate allows you to select and use any color from your canvas, which can be a great way to save time and ensure consistency in your work. Tip 7. Adjust the brush size and opacity. Procreate allows you to adjust the size and opacity of your brushes, which can help you create different effects and add depth to your artwork. Tip 8. Use the smudge tool. The smudge tool can be used to blend and soften the edges of your brush strokes, creating a more natural and organic look. Tip 9. Use the eraser tool. The eraser tool can be used to remove or lighten areas of your artwork, allowing you to make corrections and adjustments as needed. Tip 10. Use the eyedropper. The eyedropper tool allows you to quickly select and use a color from your canvas, which can be useful when working with multiple colors. Tip 11. Use the transform tool. The transform tool allows you to easily move, rotate, and scale the elements of your artwork, making it easy to make adjustments and create the perfect composition. Tip 12. Use the clone tool. The clone tool allows you to copy and paste areas of your artwork, making it easy to repeat patterns and create symmetry. Tip 13. Use the selection tool. The selection tool allows you to select and work with specific areas of your artwork, making it easy to make adjustments and edits. Tip 14. Use the blend modes. Procreate offers a variety of blend modes that can be used to create different effects and add depth to your artwork. Tip 15. Use the color balance. The color balance tool can be used to adjust the colors in your artwork, making it easy to create the perfect color palette. Tip 16. Use the color drop. The color drop tool allows you to easily add color to your artwork, making it easy to create vibrant and dynamic images. Tip 17. Use the adjustment brush. The adjustment brush can be used to make selective adjustments to your artwork, allowing you to fine-tune and perfect your work. Tip 18. Use the filters. Procreate offers a variety of filters that can be used to create different effects and add interest to your artwork. Try experimenting with different filters to see how they can enhance your work. Tip 19. Use the export feature. Procreate allows you to export your artwork in a variety of file formats, making it easy to share your work with others. Be sure to take advantage of this feature to share your creations with the world. Tip 20. Practice and experiment. The best way to get better at using Procreate is to practice and experiment with the different tools and features it offers. Try new things and see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they can often lead to new and exciting discoveries. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in your journey with Procreate. Remember to keep experimenting and practicing, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for watching and good luck with your digital art creations.